Magic the Gathering, how to get started with Magic, the Gathering's Commander mode. Commander, also known as EDH, Elder Dragon Highlander, is one of the most popular and unique formats in Magic, the Gathering. It emphasizes creativity, strategy, and social interaction, making it a favorite among casual and competitive players alike. Key features of Commander Mode 1. Deck construction, each deck consists of exactly 100 cards, including one Commander card. The Commander is a legendary creature, or a planeswalker with specific rules, that defines the deck's color identity. The color identity is determined by the mana symbols in the card's casting cost and text. Decks can only include cards that match the Commander's color identity, and no duplicates are allowed, except for basic lands. 2. Multiplayer format, Commander is typically played with 3-5 players, making it a social and interactive experience. Each player starts with 40 life points, instead of the usual 20 in other formats. 3. Command Zone, the Commander starts in the Command Zone and can be cast from there. Each time the Commander is cast from the Command Zone, it costs an additional 2 mana for each previous casting. 4. Commander Damage, if a player takes 21 or more combat damage from a single Commander during the game, they lose, regardless of their remaining life total. 5. Eternal Format, Commander allows cards from across Magic's history, except those on the official Commander ban list. Gameplay highlights, strategic depth, the Singleton rule, one copy of each card, encourages creative deck building and diverse strategies. Social interaction, the multiplayer aspect fosters alliances, rivalries, and dynamic gameplay. Unique themes, players often build decks around specific themes, mechanics, or lore tied to their Commander. Why play Commander? Casual fun, it's perfect for relaxed, kitchen table games with friends. Creative freedom, the format encourages players to express their personality through deck building. Community, Commander has a vibrant and welcoming community, with events and leagues hosted at local game stores and online. You can find more details about Commander on the official Magic, the Gathering website, https://magic.wizards.com/commander.